Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to write the Celsius symbol. It's crucial for accurately representing temperature in scientific and everyday contexts. We'll cover various methods, from keyboard shortcuts to mobile device input, ensuring you can correctly display this important unit. Understanding its proper formation prevents misinterpretation and maintains professional standards in your writing, making your documents clear and precise. Typing the Celsius symbol is straightforward with keyboard shortcuts. Windows users can hold the Alt key and type 0176 on the numeric keypad, then add a capital C. Mac users should press Option, Shift, and 8 simultaneously for the degree symbol, followed by a capital C. Alternatively, most word processing software includes a special character menu for easy insertion. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please consider subscribing and giving it a like. On another note, bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It's a fantastic way to enjoy music, get information, and control smart home devices with just your voice. Check the description below for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video. If keyboard shortcuts aren't convenient, copying and pasting is a simple solution. Find the symbol on a trusted website or document, then copy and paste it into your text. For mobile devices, long pressing the 0 or C key on your keyboard often reveals a degree symbol option. Many messaging applications also feature a dedicated special character menu where you can easily find it. To maintain accuracy, avoid common mistakes when writing the Celsius symbol. Always use a capital C after the degree sign, never a lowercase c. Crucially, there should be no space between the degree symbol and the capital C. Also, ensure you are using the actual degree symbol, not a superscript letter O or the number 0, which can look similar but are incorrect.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.